352 Pontiac Chieftain Super Deluxe Catalina here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 350 V8 underneath the hood. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 paired up with that. Power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome bumper has been re-chromed, as well as bumper guards. Iconic Pontiac hood ornament. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. As you can see, Pontiac wheel covers, wide white wall radials. Paint in the car, it does show its age. Some it's one of those get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, local cruise-ins. Your local shows. This particular car has been back to the 50s a few times, had some miles put on it. Interior has been reupholstered. Does have the original headliner. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, check out that interior a little closer. You can see seat belts have been installed. Those are newer. Two-tone with the light green and darker green top. It will also come with a visor that can be modified. If you noticed on the front of this car, it does not have the two-piece windshield, it has the one piece. Visor would have to be modified to be installed. And it does come with fender skirts, recently repainted, and some extra upholstery. You can see that all in the still pictures, as well as some miscellaneous manuals, extra paint that's in the trunk. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. You can see where there's a few little scuffs here and there in the paint. Like I said, it does show its age a little bit. Not one I'd be afraid to get in and drive. Take a look at the chrome in the rear. Some recent things that have been done to this vehicle. It does have a newer dual exhaust on it, rear drums and shoes, speedo cable, rebuilt carb, fuel tank and sender. Mentioned the newer upholstery, new carpet. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look down the driver's side of this car. Take a look at the spotlight. Let's look at this one. Don't see a lot of those around yet. We have the spotlight and the mirror on the back side. And it does work. Door panels also have been done. As you can see, seats reupholstered. Be able to check out the back seat a little better in the still pictures. The previous owner mentioned original headliner in the car. All right, let's check out this interior a little closer. Of course, this would turn so it stays like that. We're seeing stoplights up above. Stereo system on this car, I want to show you this too. Nice stereo system has been installed. It looks like a stock stereo, but it does have newer speakers and it sounds incredible. Nice stereo installed, aftermarket set of gauges. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Alright, see the oil pressure gauge pop up, voltmeter, and that was a cold start, so I don't expect water temp to be up. Let's have a USB port added down here. Slip around to the back so here, let's run. A little rumble coming out of that 350, so pretty stock looking vehicle, but got a little street rod touch to it. Alright, we'll slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Pretty big hood to get open. Give me a second to get this hood open, check out the engine bay, and then remember at the end of the video, it'll be a driving video so you kind of get an idea what this car goes down the road like, kind of a virtual ride along if you will. There, get a look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. carb has recently been refilled. It has a 4-barrel on it. You can see power brakes back there, HEI ignition. 12-volt system now. Any questions, feel free to call 507-386-1726. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty and protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. All those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1952 Pontiac Chieftain. Pontiac, a little bit more chrome, a little more body lines than a Chevrolet. I like them. This one in a mint green. A couple shades of green on the inside that complement that color. Automatic on the column. We have a radio that looks stock. Fuel gauge is working. Speedometer also working. This car corners pretty well for a 1952 Pontiac. Seat in this Pontiac. We do have a blinker that looks factory, and the blinker indicators are working on the dash. Spotlight mounted to the side. Not positive if that is lighting up or not. Very cool car in a different color, something you don't see every day. Check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.